Hello, friends. Namaskar. Welcome to Lok Talks for professional medical guidance, for spirituality and meditation, life coaching, personality development, and travelogues. Thank you very much to be a part of my online YouTube family. Thank you very much. I welcome to you all. Thank you. Hello, this is Dr. Rakesh Bhatia. Welcome to you, Globe Talks. Dear friends, let me start my today's talk with one small story. Once upon a time, Krishna was getting ready, and outside his charioteer was waiting for him for quite some time. And quite a lot of time when he was waiting, he became a little impatient and thought of peeping inside what is going on. So, what he finds inside when he reaches there, that Krishna is getting ready and is trying to decorate himself, and is so busy and so much involved in decorating himself, he is not realizing the presence of charioteer inside. So he asks a question to Krishna, Krishna, where are we going today, and what for are you decorating yourself so much? Krishna replies, I am decorating myself to visit and see Duryodhana. As you all know, friends, I'll be talking to you a little later what Duryodhana denotes. As we all know very well, we have heard, we have seen Mahabharata, we know what Duryodhana denotes. So astonishingly, the charioteer again asked him, so are you really decorating yourself to see Duryodhana? Krishna replied, yes, because he cannot see inside. He can't see within me. He can't see within himself. And he can see only the outer world. He can see only the outside things. So I am decorating myself. So the charioteer is asking him again, why are you going to him? He should be coming to you. Why are you going and visiting him? Krishna smiles and replies that darkness does not come to the light. Light has to go to the darkness. May the coming festival of Deepavali illuminate us from within. My dear friends, while we all of us light our houses, let's spend some time today to light a few lamps inside us. The first lamp you need to lighten, to get rid of, to burn all sort of anger, to all sort of resentments, to get rid of all sort of resentments, all sort of jealousy. If you hold all these for any one single exceptional person, it's time to get rid of it. Second lamp you should be lighting to burn out all your greeds and desires to be burned. Feel happy and contented with what you have been blessed with. As I said in my story earlier, that Duryodhana denotes ego. So my dear friends, all this ego and this greed, ego will always keep pushing you to fetch some other thing, to buy some other thing, and will always feel you inadequate and inabundant. Feeling of this abundancy, every time you will have feeling of lack or some other thing in your life. As we all know, the advertisement world, the marketing world keeps pushing us every now and then to go for some other thing in the life. If you have this, no, this is no good. You need to go for that. Buying and feeling a greed and unending desires have to be burned. It will never make you feel happy. It will never make you to feel contented. The contentment will only come by appreciating what you have. If you don't appreciate that, you need to think, is it my ego which is making me to keep running for some other thing? Need to think about it. The third lamp, let it fade away. All the insecurities, all the financial insecurities within us. As we all know, in this COVID era, we are very much worried about the economic crisis around the world, which is affecting a common man too. But at the same time, we need to understand the only way to get away from all this fear is just to contemplate and just to stay and be at peace within. God is definitely going to help you. Be confident that God is always with you. It is only if you are egoistic. One day I published a quote, God is within you, provided you have no ego of this fact. Means, if we get rid of our all ego within us, definitely we can manage to be at peace and we can be very happy. The fourth lamp denotes the significance of today's day. Today we celebrate Dhanteras. As we all know from the knowledge of Ayurveda, that today is celebrated as birth of Dhanvantri. Means the health is the biggest wealth of your life. We all have to live within this body till our last breath. But you also know it very well how much you are really taking care of it by taking care of your own mental health, by taking care of your own physical health, by taking care of your own spiritual health. Fifth lamp is the miniature of sun. Nothing but the divine light. The light in the center of our body. Let it feel the warmth and love inside your whole body. And the divinity within you and around you has to be appreciated. Carry this love with you throughout the day. You will find that everyone who meets you is happy and elated. This is the biggest blessings, that whatever and whomsoever meets you becomes happier after meeting you, this will also make you more happier in return. There are lights everywhere except in the minds of them. And the mind is a jungle of cravings, greed, and material desires. This too shall pass. Light these 5 lamps each morning. Carry the positivity wherever you go. Diwali, the festival of lights, is a good time to re-examine ways to remove darkness from within. Let's pray that the act of lighting a lamp this Diwali may be seen by all as a great opportunity to light the lamp within ourselves as well. Light your lamp and stay blessed forever. Happy Dhanteras, happy Diwali. God bless you.